Welcome to your pelvic floor routine. Today we're going to talk through longer holds. So with this, I'm going to be talking you through a scenario and I want you to try and maintain your pelvic floor strength as we do this. So let's just get that activation. So a gentle squeeze and a lift and hold up. So you can imagine that you're driving home and you're needing to pee. And we are driving, so you're just about to turn into your street. You're still holding on. So we're getting out of the car, still holding. We've got to get Bob and any other children out of the car. So that might take a little while, but we're still maintaining our endurance strength here. Okay, we are now moving towards the front door. Getting our keys out. We're heading now to opening into the door, still holding. We're in the house. We need to settle ourselves, put our things down. We're making our way now through to the bathroom. Finally, we get to sit and you can relax. Okay, so that was us not that far away from home, needing to hold on. So that's the idea of this endurance strength. It's there for when we need it and we can't necessarily get to a toilet too quickly. Okay. So another scenario. Let's go one more time. So a gentle squeeze and a lift. Right now, we're changing our baby. So we have our baby on the change table, we need to go, but we need to get them changed first. That's the scenario. So let's not fasten it up too quickly, still do a safe change, and we're holding on because we can, because we've got this endurance strength. So we're holding. We've got probably another 15 seconds before realistically we can make it through to the toilet. So still maintaining that. We're holding here. We've finished the change, settling the baby. Okay. We've got another 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Made it to the toilet and you can relax. So I want you to see how long you might actually need to hold for, and that's where we're looking to build up, because when people say, is it 10 seconds, is it 20 seconds, realistically often it's going to be longer than that. So if you can build your hold up so that it's maybe 30 seconds up to a minute, we're wanting to be able to do that. You don't want to hold your bladder or hold your pelvic floor if you don't need to. So certainly if there's access to the toilet, go. But these are just skills for you and endurance strength for you. Okay? Practice them this week. No more embarrassing leaks. Let's get your body confidence back and your pelvic floor strong. Come and join me and other mamas just like you in our Preg Active community today.